Subscribe Sabbrokers.
Subscribe and click the bell icon. Connect you to the world.
Hi guys, today we have exciting Slingshot unboxing adventure and how to install step by step. Don't skip the video. Alright, here's the package. I have been eagerly waiting for this. Time to unveil the mystery inside. As you see, the product is covered with bubble wrappers. Let's try to unwrap the bubble wrapper and see inside. I buy this product in Indian Slingshot.com around 1.3k INR. Let's see how worth it is. Here comes the Ferrari magnetic high accuracy laser slingshot with powerful rubber bands. Here it seems in right hand side the screw is unscrewed. Let's try to put back that. Yes, fixed now. Let's take close look through the product. It seems overall build quality and presentation of this slingshot is good. But when it comes to tiny details of the design, it's not that great. These are main screws with attached spring in it. You can see even in Ferrari symbol, you can't see much detail in it. The zinc alloy makes it seems pretty heavy, around 200 grams. Let's unpack this package. I think it contains laser, other screws and Allen key. As we guessed, here comes the attachments. Here is the laser. Let's examine the laser. Wow, it seems brighter and good. Here's the Allen key and tiny screw in it. Oops! Yeah, here it is, the tiny screw. Also some other screws, some holders, spirit level and aiming point. Let's try to unpack our armor. In IndianSlingshot.com, I don't buy any extra armor for this slingshot. I only placed order for this slingshot. I was confused whether they provide armor or not. But after receiving the package, it seems they provide few armors with the slingshot. It seems the armor looks like 8mm to 9mm. But I don't know the size of armor exactly. I don't have any screw gauge to measure it. I think we have 20 to 25 armors. Let's try to count how many armors they provide with the slingshot. Yes, they provide 30 armors with the slingshot. There is a magnet in the slingshot which holds the armors, which makes it user friendly. Let's take a look on the rubber bands given. There are totally 4 rubber bands of 0.7 mm, 0.75 mm, 0.80 mm and 1 mm rubber bands are there. According to the power usage, distance, length and height of the target, You can use the various band given. Let's go and install our slingshot. Let's start installing our aiming point first. Let's keep our slingshot facing magnetic side towards our side and place the aiming attachment in the given gap. Let's take the tiny screw and put it in the Allen key. Keep yourself in comfortable position for holding the aiming attachment, slingshot, also screwing it smoothly using Allen key. Yes, great. We are done with our aiming sight. Now, same as aiming part, we have to repeat the same process for laser holder also. Yes, done. It seems good now. Let's place our laser in the holder. Using given plastic bolt, we have to tighten the laser and fix in it. Yes, everything works fine. Okay, it's time to install our rubber band with the slingshot. The main screw with the spring attached in it. When you press the screw, you find a gap between that where you can place the rubber band. The ammo pouch holder has two different sides, which one side is rough and other side is smooth. Keep rough side facing inside and put the rubber band inside the screw holder accordingly. Place the rubber band comfortably inside the screw holder and tighten the screw. Repeat the same process for the right hand side. Wow, perfectly installed Ferrari magnetic slingshot. This is our aiming point. We can use this to hit the target accurately. Also, we can use our spirit level for the balance and the usage of laser, which acts as a reference point. Let's load our ammo to our magnetic field in slingshot. For the quick demo, this is how you can put your ammo into the ammo pouch holder and pull the pouch holder and aim the target and hit the target. Let's train together in next video and learn how to hit the target accurately. Also try to hit the small targets. Stay tuned. Danke. Tschüss.